Hey, it's Greg here with MaritimeGardening.com, and I thought since it's the dead of winter, I'd do a giveaway contest. And this contest is for a Victorio kitchen crop seed sprouter brought to you by my sponsor, Vessi Seeds. They mailed it to me. I'm gonna mail this to the winner, no matter where you are in the world. So this here is a 4-tray seed sprouting kit. You put the seeds in, you put some water in, wait a little bit of time, and then you've got sprouts. This particular one comes with 3 different kinds of sprouts: broccoli, alfalfa, and mung beans. I like the mung beans the most of those 3, but whatever you like's whatever you like. I think there's also a Vessi's catalog in there as well. You want to leaf through that when you're, in the mood for some literature. So all you got to do to win this kit is follow me on Twitter and put a comment in the comment section of this video saying, "I want the seed sprouter." That's all you got to do. If winter's getting you down and you want to have some fun, especially this is a great thing to do with kids, you want to have some fun growing something that you can eat, this is a great way to go about doing that. It's easy to clean, it doesn't take up a lot of room because it's got 4 tiers. You can easily stick it like in a window or something like that. There's instructions on Vessi's website of how to use this. I'll put a link to the video, the instructional video that goes with it at the end of this video. But other than that, if you want it, let me know. Follow me on Twitter and say, "I want the seed sprouter" in the comment section of this video, and it could be yours. If you don't want to wait for that, just go to Vessi's website. Like basically, if you don't win it, or you don't want to wait for that, or you want more than one or whatever, you don't want to follow me on Twitter, that's perfectly fine. I don't follow too many people on Twitter myself. But you want this thing anyway, you can go to Vessi's website and buy it, vessis.com. Use my coupon code, GAVS22, and you get free shipping as long as there's one pack of seeds in your order. It doesn't have to be any of these. You can get any kind of seeds you want. But that's just the way my coupon code works with them. As long as there's a pack of seeds in the order, you get free shipping. So you can order this, and you don't have to follow me on Twitter. But if you want to win it for nothing, you got to follow me on Twitter. So anyway, I hope you give it a try. Tell your friends, share it on your social media. Someone's going to win this thing, and I can't wait to give it away. So until next time, get out there, get at it, have fun in your garden, have fun sprouting. See you next time.